It's time to make a film regarding the drawing T1.01.008. And this drawing looks a bit peculiar. That's because it's within a broken view. Since the scale would be really strange if we let the entire thing be unbroken, we've decided to break this view. And this is not very uncommon. So, and if you enjoy these movies, please do spread them. Thanks a lot. So, let us just make one more part, and this is the drawing T1.01.008. And it's quite easy. We'll head off with a sketch, and we'll put it on the front plane. We'll draw a center line originating out of origo, heading upwards, and it needs to be vertical, of course. And then we'll make 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, just 4 lines. And this line, the middle one, we're going to connect to the midpoint in this way. Way to go. And then we could just add the dimensions. This needs to be 12. And this one should be 180. Great. Well, as we can see, the center line is once again inside of the model. Let's draw it out. Great. We'll close this one and we'll make a revolved boss base. And now we have a shaft. This shaft needs to have tapped holes in both ends. So we'll make just one hole whistle here. We'll push the uppermost face. We'll connect this to origo. And we'll choose tapped hole. And this needs to be a tapped hole. And the distance should be M5. Let's see. And let's say that the thread depth should be 15. Then we get 19 there. We should change this one to 17.4. Perhaps this is just a bottoming tapped hole. Well, it is. And we keep the cosmetic thread depressed. And this is good. We'll click OK. And instead of making it the same thing once again, we'll make a mirror feature. We'll pick mirror. And now it becomes apparent why we decided to have it as a midpoint instead of coincident. Now we could just simply pick top plane as our mirror face. And the feature which we wish to mirror is the M5 tapped hole. And now we have them at both ends. Great. Let's make another attempt. We'll pick material, edit material, deal materials, and it's an alloyed steel, 1.243. That's great. We'll press apply, and then we have the material already picked, and we'll head into file, properties, and we'll add the description. This is called stong, and if you don't have the all, no worries. You could just name it something else. And as a material, we will connect it to material. And from finish, we're going to write verniclas. We're going to plate it with nickel. And lastly, weight, we'll add this to the mass. And we'll add G at the end for grams. That's it. Our part is done.